Sup traders, we are hyped to announce that you can now trade on Hyperliquid. This unlocks massive new profit potential for your MoonTrader setup. Hyperliquid is a high-speed, fully on-chain DEX running on its own Hyper-EVM network. Trading here feels just as fast as a centralized exchange, CEX, but with full decentralization and transparency. Your funds always stay in your wallet. One of Hyperliquid's key advantages is that it is strictly non-custodial. The platform offers deep order books, high liquidity, and low fees, ensuring your orders execute fast and reliably. Connecting takes just a few minutes via MetaMask, and you can start trading immediately. Hyperliquid combines security, speed, and UX, making it one of the strongest solutions for derivatives trading on the market right now. Let's break down the setup process. What you'll need: a Gmail account, a MoonTrader.com account, MoonTrader terminal with Hyperliquid support. Download via direct link or found in your dashboard at MoonTrader.com. Important: the terminal for Hyperliquid is a standalone build. It is currently in alpha, so not all standard MoonTrader functionality is available yet. Please download the specific version required from our site. An Android/iOS smartphone, a MetaMask wallet, and about $30 for funding. A little free time. Installing and prepping MetaMask. To connect to Hyperliquid, you need a Web3 wallet. We'll be using MetaMask. Steps: download MetaMask from Google Play or the App Store. Create a new wallet and make sure to save your seed phrase. We recommend the recovery phrase method for max security. Set a strong password. Crucial: write the seed phrase down on paper and store it somewhere safe. If you lose this, your access is gone forever. Select the Arbitrum 1 network. Add the necessary tokens to your wallet. In this case, add USDC for your exchange deposit. Copy your wallet address on the Arbitrum 1 network. You'll need this later. Important: funding must be done specifically via the Arbitrum 1 network. Fund your wallet with Ethereum, $5 to $10 to cover gas fees. USDC, your trading capital. Now, let's link your wallet to the exchange. Open the Hyperliquid site. Using our referral link gives you bonuses. The referral link will also be attached to the video description. Click Connect. Select Wallet Connect. Open MetaMask on your phone, enable the QR scanner, and scan the code on your screen. Confirm the connection. On the site, click Enable Trading and confirm the action in MetaMask. MetaMask is now linked to your Hyperliquid account. How to funding your Hyperliquid balance. To start trading, click Deposit on the Hyperliquid site. Enter the amount. Important: only transfer USDC. Leave your ETH in MetaMask to pay for gas fees. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask. The transfer usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Check your balance. Creating an API key for MoonTrader. Open the menu, click More, select API. Enter a name for the key, for example, MoonTrader. Click Generate. Click Authorize API Wallet. Set the validity period, 180 days. Copy the private key. This is shown only once, so save it immediately. Click Authorize. Confirm the action in MetaMask. Your new API key will appear in the list on the API page. Note: the exchange charges a gas fee in Ethereum for creating an API key. You must have Ethereum in your wallet. Configuring MoonTrader. In your MoonTrader personal dashboard, create a Hyperliquid license. Copy the activation code. In the terminal, click Add Profile. Select the Hyperliquid exchange. Click New License. Fill in the fields. Activation code, paste code. Wallet, your Hyperliquid address. Private key source, Hyperliquid. Private API key, the key you saved earlier. Days valid, 180. Click Activate. A QR code will appear. Scan it with MetaMask. Important: before connecting, go to Permissions, Enabled Networks. Make sure only Arbitrum is selected. Once confirmed, the profile will be created. Copy the core token from your dashboard on MoonTrader.com and paste it into the corresponding field. Click Add, then Start. Verifying it works. In MoonTrader, open the Balances tab. Verify that your USDC balance is showing up. Set your leverage and margin type. In manual trading, select the USDC asset. The terminal is now ready for action. Let's talk about specifics of trading on Hyperliquid API limits. Hyperliquid has specific API rate limit rules. Limits are tied to the entire account. Starting limit, 10,000 requests. Limits grow automatically. 1 USDC of trading volume equals +1 API request. If you hit 0 limits, you are throttled to 1 request every 10 seconds. Order cancellations have a separate, higher limit. You can buy additional requests using your account balance. Check the Hyperliquid documentation for more details. Displaying limits in MoonTrader. To buy extra limits, click on the API block in the terminal interface. Enter the amount of requests you want. Click Buy. Scan the QR code with MetaMask. Confirm the transaction. Managing balances. Hyperliquid uses two separate balances: spot for spot trading, perps for perpetual contracts. How to move funds. In MoonTrader, open the Balances tab. Select Perpetual or Spot. Click the Transfer button. Enter the amount. Click Transfer. Scan the QR code with MetaMask. Confirm the transaction. Transfers between accounts are instant and free. All set. Congrats! You can now start stacking profits by trading on Hyperliquid. Stay tuned, we've got plenty more updates coming to help you maximize your P&L.